It's still not right angle. There we go.
Alright, perfect, right there. We gotta put my spring back on its seat. It's ready to fall off. It's okay. Now you're gonna drop on the right. Right now. Good, dude.
Whoa! Woo-hoo!
Up on the left. Your back tire came off the ground, didn't mine?
No.
Shut up, I'm a foot. This way. This side is coming up now. This way. Just like that. Perfect. Keep the wheel straight. Stop. You want a picture?
Tracy, where's the camera? The camera! Toby. Shoot.
Need help out, good?
Here, Toby.
Oh, I know. It's tired, right? Yeah, you're stuck with 42.
Toby, I have Dad's camera if you want to take a picture of it.
Make the fenders bigger.
Because I'm videoing, so. Here, let me hold your soda.
I got it.
Okay.
That tire said, oh, I'm not moving anymore, I'm just going to pull on the bottom. Little flap. Little flap. Hurry up, my clock is ticking. Hurry up, the clock. It doesn't count as being stuck. You'll be in 6 minutes.
You're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Toby's getting them, Tracy. You don't have to run back. Yeah, he's got Dad's camera.
Falling asleep out here. All right, go, Dave. Go. Hold that thing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make you engine go.
Whoa!
Yeah, no, I saw. You were right on it.